Welcome, today in front of me NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and I'll show you how to turn off the SMS and alerts during the call. So first you should go into the phone application, and after that click here on the right down corner, then click here to the call settings, and after that tap here to remind during a call. And here you can see the message, the message alert is turned on. And now just to turn it off, you should click here once on the switcher, and by this well will turn off all the SMS and alarms during our device calls. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.